Wait.
Get good, cause.
Hey Ernie.
Hey Ernie, this is
two guys from Santa Ana who, on Eagles Wings, the ones you called the Jonas Brothers.
and we want to be like you one day. Here's an exclamation right here.
Someday I'm gonna see my Jesus. Someday over the blue. Someday wanna join the chorus. My friend, how about you? Someday I'm gonna be happy. And someday I'm gonna shout. Someday I'm gonna see old Jonah. He's gonna tell me how he. Someday I'll know all about it. Someday wanna be grand. One day we'll walk with the angels in that bright, wonderful land. Jesus, I'm getting ready now to meet you, Jesus. I'll never go, Jesus. I'm anxious now to get through my their heavenly home, Jesus. I want to look at your face, Jesus. Oh, look at your face, Jesus. I want to walk and talk with you up and down those glorious streets. Someday I'm gonna be happy, and someday I'm gonna shout. Someday Samson will tell me all about that. Someday I know all about it. Someday I wanna be grand. One day we'll walk with the angels in that bright, wonderful day. Oh, someday I know all about it. Someday we'll wanna be grand. One day we'll walk with the angels in that bright, wonderful day. Someday I'm gonna be happy, and someday I'm gonna